Tuna pasta with Nduja. Today I'm making a really fiery tuna pasta with you. Obviously, if you don't like spicy and strong flavors like Nduja, you can make this recipe without any problem, in the same way, just without adding the Nduja. Prepare this delicious dish with me. Let's get started. So first of all, I cut a clove of garlic in half and remove the core. Then I take a few anchovies and salted capers that I've rinsed, a little bit of parsley, and chop everything together. After that, I chop the onion. Now I put everything together and keep chopping. And then in the pan I add some extra virgin olive oil. I add everything I just chopped. Be careful when doing this. I always tell you to use the back of the knife, not the blade. Whether it's wood or plastic, like in this case, and especially gently if you want to avoid eating wood or plastic from the cutting board. On low heat, I let it brown a bit. And since the water is already boiling, I add salt and put the pasta to cook. At this point, I add the Nduja to the sautéed mixture. Stir it around a bit and let it melt in the oil. Then I add a couple of generous ladles of pasta cooking water. And 1 or 2 minutes before it's done cooking, I transfer the pasta to the pan. Here we are. And I let it finish cooking and absorb the flavors well, adding more cooking water only if necessary. Perfect, the pasta is almost al dente, so I add the pitted Gaeta olives. This pasta would already be good like this, I'm telling you, because I tasted it even without the olives and it was already good. By the way, watch out for the salt. By the way, just a reminder, my 2 cookbooks are available only on Amazon worldwide. Search for Carlo Gaiano and you'll receive them within 2 days. Then I add the tuna, mashed a bit, turn off the heat, and mix well. I toss it a little too. Add a little bit of parsley, give it one last stir, saute it a bit, and then plate it. Alright, let's see. Oh my goodness. Mom. Oh my. Spicy, spicy, mom. Oh my. And it's insanely delicious. So be careful with the Nduja. Put in a little, taste it, try it, and then add more if you want, depending on your taste. Make this recipe and let me know what you think in the comments below. For now, I'll say goodbye, and as usual, before I leave you, I want to wish you bon appetit.